So I just wanted to show you this bag. This is a bag, Adventure WORX Xplore 45, which I bought. This is a Wildcraft company bag. There are many reasons for which I bought this bag. First is there are multiple pockets in this bag where I can keep everything. Unlike my old bag where I used to stuff everything together, like shoes, clothes, wallet, tiffin, everything in one compartment. So the speciality is there is a separate shoe pocket here. So these are my formal shoes. So I'm gonna fit those in this compartment. You can see so nicely it is fitted in this compartment. Okay, it's covered. There is a rain cover compartment as well, where you can keep the rain cover. In case rain comes, I can cover my bag with this rain cover protected. The other thing is there's a small pocket here where I can stuff my company ID card, my home key, my pen, my MP3 player, and the liquid soap to take shower. So this is about the small compartment. Coming to the second one. So this is a big compartment which has one net zipper. I use this mainly for keeping some secure things like my wallet and my mobile. I will keep my charger in this compartment down along with the power bank. I'll keep it down here. I also carry electrol powder. This is an energy booster while cycling, and then of course my rain jacket in case rain comes. So all this will go in here in this compartment. Close this zipper, and I'll close this zipper as well. Coming to the main compartment here, which is a bigger one compared to the second one. So I will use this compartment to keep my book, which I carry every day, my diary. And then I will keep my clothes. I have kept my clothes which I'm gonna wear after taking shower. I'll fit that here in this compartment. And last but not the least, what remains is my earphone, which I will use of course while riding the bike in my ears, and a GoPro with a headband I will use to record my ride. So this will be outside. And also I carry one extra plastic bag in case there is heavy rain. Sometimes the rain covers we can't trust, so I keep my valuable things like wallet, mobile, power bank, electronic items in this bag. So this is how I have packed my bag. And now this has also a backpack here. It's sweat proof, and it's very comfortable. If I wear it, it's like this. It's a beautiful bag, and I'm very happy that I have this bag.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.